Valley. Ian Laurel here with Coach Ronnie Magzanok, and of course the third member, Ann Remulla, with another report.
Thanks, Ian. You know, despite the win of the Cagayan Valley Rising Suns team in the first set, there are still a lot of improvements expected from the girls. And ang sinabi nga ni Coach Sherwin kanina, no, ilayo ang score at huwag mag-relax. Those are the main things that they need to focus on here in the second set. Now, aside from that, ang sinabi pa ni Coach Sherwin, they need more focus on the game and also on the players, specifically on Serafica and Prochina. Now, on the side of the Philippine Navy, Coach Nene had 3 key reminders for the remainder of today's game. Ang sinabi niya sa team communication, because they need to keep the lines open to ensure the game runs smoothly. Second is, huwag matakot. They must keep in mind that what their opponent has, meron din sila nun. And lastly, to take advantage of their experience. Now, Coach Nene pointed out that they have more of that than the young squad they're up against today. Back to you, Coach Ronnie and Ian.
Alright, thank you, Ann. And si Ann parang fresh na fresh eh.
Bakit?
Ewan ko ba dito kay Ann?
Buti pa mamaya.
Pabato ka na ako
Buti
ni
pa
Ann.
mamaya, bigyan natin isang close-up shot yan.
Very, very fresh report from Ann Remulla.
Parang nag-spike sa likod, ah.
Nandito na may bola, ba't dito
Oo.
nanggagaling sa likod natin?
Merong ano rito, merong nag-ricochet.
Oh, Prochina, good defense by Cases. Kept alive by Carpio. Drop shot, bantayan ni Jonela yan. Sandra, smart play against the veteran Prochina, hitting it off the block.
Score stood at 8-6, heading to the first technical timeout, and then suddenly, dalawang sunod na puntos. What the Philippine Navy team is doing right now is keeping the ball in play. Inapahaba nila yung kanilang mga palitan kung kaya't nakakahanap sila ng butas para makascore.
Oops. Is that outside? Yes, that's outside. No touch from the block, Suson. She wanted to go down the line, pero
Yung elevation kulang na.
Oo, medyo nasa ilalim siya ng bola.
Yes.
So, yung tapo ng bola, malayo. And that's what happened.
Talagang
Went out.
kailangan yung mayamang karanasan nila, ihuhugutin mo talaga rito para makahanap ka ng mga breakdown sa kabila. Tulad yan.
Andaya to De Los Santos. Again, is that in? That is outside. Missing the line by just a couple of inches.
And for Cagayan, tama yung sinabi ni Ann kanina eh. Hindi lamang yung lakihan mo yung lamang mo. Mag-focus ka. Kasi yun ang unang-unang order for the day eh. Focus on Serafica, keep your eyes on Prochina, the 2 best players of the Blue Shirts, who definitely are trying to keep the Navy team alive.
Cases again. Now the Navy's defense holding on. See, they're keeping the ball in play.
Eh, sinasabi natin umahaba yung mga rallies. At pag ganyan, mas lamang yung may mas experience.
Oh, Serafica again keeping that ball for a second touch. Carpio, the longest rally of the match so far. Arasan hits the line, gets the point. We are tied at 10 here in the second set.
Wisdom, yan ang ginagamit dito ng Philippine Navy. Tabla ang ating talaan, 10 all here in the second set.
Napatime out ang Cagayan Valley Rising Suns. Let's listen in.
Pagsisobatan tayo, pagsisobatan tayo, hindi natin kahit ba natin kayo iwanin to? Kahit ba natin iwanan yun? Diba? Kung napaisip natin, kaya naman natin to eh. Kaya naman natin natin. Hindi ganun. Kaya sabi natin kanina, kung kinakailangan dapat natin iwan natin. Kaya yung kalaban, no?
FEU Makati, the newest campus of Far Eastern University, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Get that business education in the heart of the business district. And ayun, that timeout by Coach Sherwin Bariuan, telling, of course, the girls ba, hindi biro tong 10-all na score natin dito sa second set. At ngayon, nalamangan pa sila. Not a good play coming off a timeout, Coach Ronnie.
Especially if you have a team which is suddenly starting to play differently. More aggressive, more cohesion. We can see from the Philippine Navy team. Of course, still led by Prochina and Janet Serafica, pero marami nang nakikisama. Dumadami na ang contributors for Philippine Navy.
Alright, Sandra gets stopped by Prochina. And Cabriana comes in to replace Andaya.
Balasa muna.
Oo.
Coach Sherwin, naghahanap ng ibang magandang pasa dito mula sa kanyang setter.
Suson with a service ace.
Patayo si Coach Sherwin dito. Flat-footed ang kanyang libero.
Because that has been already 3 straight serves na nahirapang i-receive.
10 all kanina yan. 8-6 doon sa first technical timeout, and in the last 7 points. 5 siya nakuha ng Philippine Navy.
Now they give up a free ball. Let's see what they do with it. Philippine Navy goes to Arasan off speed. Chuwalim, De Los Santos throws it out. No touch from the block. Nag-iba ang ihip ng
iba na talaga.
Lamang na ng 4 ang Philippine Navy.
Biggest lead of the set and of this match. Iba na ang forma ng hukbong pandaragat.
Ayan, nice serve. Chuwalim with a better reception. Sayang.
Aray.
And Suson, I think, got her right hand. Ano yun?
Okay na first aid yun
And Suson is holding on to her. It's the right elbow.
Pero anong ginawa ng kanyang teammate?
Parang minasahin ng sapatos.
Parang pinagpak. Bawal umaray. Yan ang veterano.
Wala yan kung ganyan lang.
Tayo. Laban.
Cabriana gets that point right away with that service ace. Now the lead is down to 2.
Gandang hugot ni Coach Sherwin.
Good serve. Sandra tipping it over. One more go for Sandra, and she connects.
And again, Cabriana will stay on that service line. They were down 10-14. Now lead has shrunk to 1. And itong suddenly, itong si Sandra De Los Santos, biglang parang si Super Mario doon sa gitna. Parang nakakita ng mushroom.
Vertical jump. Very, very
explosive,
for Sandra. Roy Cases, again, over and above the blockers.
Tinatrabaho naman ni Prochina at ni Serafic, pero ang bilis din kasi ng balik. Yung quickness factor naman ang ginagamit dito ng Cagayan.
Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Straight into the block of Sandra. Arasan not getting that ball through the blockers.
Cabriana, a game changer here in the second set for the White Shirts.
Yung kanya ni Coach Sherwin, maganda.
Hindi lang pwedeng timeout ka ng timeout
Serafica with the dump. She saw that a mile away. Nakita niyang si Cabriana manggagaling pa lang sa...
Kasi Junela out of position. Nakita niya may butas dun sa floor defense. Maliwanag. Basag-basa na naman yan ni Janet Serafica.
Janet with a serve which is good to give her another ace. It is the Philippine Navy going into the second technical timeout of this second set. They are up by 1, 16-15.